I pozdrav svima ljudi u još jednu epizodu na ovom kanalu i danas ćemo igrati Hitman Absolution. Hvala ljudi. Znači idemo new game, idemo easy jer hoću da prelazim, a ne da se mučim. Ide ovaj introduction šta je već.
Listen to me. I need you to be brave.
Nisam subtitle uključio, ali vidjet ću da li može.
A man will come and take you away. I cannot go with you. This is how it has to be. This man is different. He will protect you. Please don't judge him for what he might do. I'm sorry. Maybe someday you will understand.
This is Benjamin Travis. The money has been wired to your account. Welcome to Chicago. I appreciate you taking this assignment, 47. It is never easy targeting our own, but Diana Burnwood's treason must be dealt with. I would send in one of the teams, but this is a job for a scalpel, not a hammer.
Reasons are irrelevant.
Exactly. Good luck, 47.
Sir. Yeah, it's an ice cream truck. Yeah, I know. I'll get rid of him. Hey, get out of here. We don't want anything.
What about your partner?
What partner?
During this assignment, game elements will be highlighted. First of all, try to kill with discretion and try to remain undetected.
Prvo, znači da uključim.
Next to it is the
Ja se izvinjavam nekima, ali moram zbog FPS-a. Jer mi je FPS lupam 12 prilike, ali dobro.
Next to the weapon, the yellow bar indicates how much instinct you have available. If it is depleted, you cannot rely on instinct ability.
FM. Pročitajte ako vas zanima.
According to ICA Division Chief Benjamin.
A neću. Ne treba mi za sad to i šta će mi skriti. Dobro, aj sad ću ovog da uvatim. Znači C za crouch.
When you are in cover, it is harder for your enemies to spot you. Items found in the world can be used as close combat weapons, or you can use them to distract your enemies.
Zabrzo.
Excellent. Slip past while the guard is distracted.
Is anyone there?
Neću raditi one fore. Radit ću ovako kao što mi kaže ovo. Što mi igrica ne radi.
Clean kill. Remember to hide the body. Bodies left in plain sight.
Dobro sam ga roknuo. Znači nacrtalo se hide the weapon. Sakriva oružje.
The body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body, and still use your fiber wire to silently eliminate the guard up ahead. Clean kill. Notice the fiber wire allows you to drag your target immediately.
A ovo je dobro. Što ti allows you to drag your target, kaže. Dobro. Znači njega ćemo staviti ovdje. Da niko ne nađe. Kafi mag. Sad ću da uradim nešto što možda niste očekivali. A vjerovatno niste, ali okej. Ovo. Ovdje mi je
You have
checkpoint.
activated a
aktivirat ću.
checkpoint. If you die
I
or
ovdje ću
if you
otići gore.
choose to restart, you will start at this location.
Aha, znači ako restartujemo misiju, vratit će nas na tu lokaciju gdje nam je checkpoint. Brutalno. Ajde ovog da sakrijem. Ok, sad znam jednu foru ovdje. Znači kad hitate ovaj instinkt, odnosno CTRL, pokazat će vam ovdje žuto. To je jedan trik koji možete da uradite. Znači da puknete ovdje. Napravite neku vrstu distrakcije. Sad oni gledaju šta se desilo fazu i to, dok uzmete space cover i polako prolazite. Neće se ubijat, nekako će biti... Nekako će biti skriven, ne znam.
Wait and listen to the people around you. They may give vital information or simply let you know when the coast is clear.
My wife's the state champion in gossip. It's only a matter of time. Not that I don't appreciate your concern. Mark my words, kid. You should get out of soldiering.
Use instinct or consult the radar to locate the exit.
This travel agency only has two destinations. Death.
Ovo je znači ono kao najjednostavniji način. Mada sam mogao i bez onoga, ali ajde, da im zakomplikuje. Dobro, znači idem dalje. Ovo znam već i
Use
sam.
instinct to anticipate enemy
Ovo
movement.
ćemo uzeti.
Looks like the chef's cooking up a storm.
Instinkt, kao da vidimo gdje se pomeraju. Gdje se kreću.
Piercing weapons can be
Zanimljivo.
used for deadly throws.
Izvijem se malo na grlu.
Focus on a target. Now throw.
Brutalno.
Clean kill. You can dump the body over the railing.
To disguise, ja ne mogu uzeti, ček malo ćemo ga povući. Da uzmemo fillet knife i da uzmemo ovaj
Your current weapon is
yard
unsilenced. It might
pištolj.
alert your enemies. Consider using your silenced silver baller pistols.
Human shower.
Someone is about to notice you. The attention display shows you the direction of the threat. Try to slip away unnoticed.
Ok, sad mi je igra rekla jednu stvar, ali dobro. Ovog ćemo isto da ga bacimo. Njega smo nokovali samo.
The
As a-
greenhouse up ahead will require a disguise
Ovdje
to
imamo
infiltrate
disguise.
unnoticed.
To.
Look for a disguise. You are disguised as a gardener. In this disguise, you are allowed to be
Već
in the
znam, ne moram
greenhouse
pričati
area.
dalje.
Be mindful
trebamo
that
držati.
other gardeners see through your trick the gardener.
CTRL da blenduje. Nas ne vidim. To me kao Assassin's Creed keca sećam
The
se.
guards up ahead will not be
Ima
suspicious.
blend i u dvojci
But you should
vjerovatno
keep a
i
lookout
ostalim,
for
ali znam
other
da se keca
gardeners.
koristi često. U jedinici Assassin's Creed 1. To je samo Assassin's Creed. Ima i dvojci i ostalim vjerujem. Bilo. Sad, valja sačekat ovog. Da prođem.
Your
A
instinct is
kreni
on.
glavu, majmuna. Sad. Kada on dođe tu, nešto tu priđe s ovima.
Sorry, pal. New rules. This
Okrenut
off
ćemo
limits
ovo.
unless you're security or guests of... Perfect. Just perfect. I'm gonna kill these maintenance clowns.
The guards have been dealt with. Doing so, you regain some instinct.
Come on, let's check out the boats.
The guards are preoccupied. You can kill them or sneak past. The choice is yours. Leaving people alive is cleaner, but might complicate your effort to remain undetected. Yet this is the mark of the silent assassin, to leave the world around him unaware and untouched.
Infiltrate the mansion and
Sad mi je
terminate
objasnila bukvalno
Victoria.
šta mogu da radim. To.
Unharmed. She is very dear to me
You're
and
kidding.
the agency.
Are you sure? It's not prostate cancer. I could kiss you. I mean, that's great news. Oh, man. You made my day. Yeah.
Kaže, you made my day, onda ga baciš prozora.
You are now inside the mansion.
Kako
Your
fino.
current disguise will be suspicious to the mansion guards. Either find a new disguise or try to remain undetected.
Kaže da se prebučem ili da, da me niko ne vidi. Ja ću vjerovatno, a nemam pojma. Obući se. Ima tamo delo. Evo da pokupite ovaj
Throughout the game, you will
evidence.
find evidence. Removing the evidence will award you rating points and instinct. The mansion guard disguise gives you full access to the mansion interior. Be mindful that
Hakujemo
other
nešto,
mansion guards see
disablujemo
through your
security
disguise if you come
system.
too close, so keep a safe
I
distance.
prolazimo ovdje.
Beyond this door, the rating system will be turned on. It will monitor your playstyle and reward your progress. You can see it in the top left corner. As always, how you handle your assignment is entirely up to you. Good luck.
E sad ćemo mi vidjeti šta ćemo. Znači proći ću lijepo normalno ovdje. Uzet ću,
Use instinct to locate objects of interest.
neću odmah, nego ovaj kad se zapriča, pošto će vidjeti ovog.
Listen up. Miss Burnwood is in the upstairs shower. Down the corridor. Earl's in her room and will remain so for the time being.
Ok, znači malo sačekati da počne da priča. Dump znači ovog.
The body is now hidden. The container has room for one more body.
I
And
ovdje
still,
imamo
you have activated a
checkpoint.
checkpoint. If you die or if you choose to restart, you will start at this location.
E sad, isto ne mogu se... Zašto sam municiju, ali što ne nestane, to bi bilo dobro da nestane. E sad, furani, čekate ovog plavog. Nemojte slučajno da uzmete gerotate, znači idete na subdu, da ga samo onesvestite, zadavite kogod. Sad će on ići da uključi to. Kad uključi? To jest isključi svjetlo. Brzo.
Subdue
Subdue.
or kill. The
Znači-
choice is yours.
Q stalno, samo da ga zadavite. Ok.
Either way, he won't be waking up anytime soon. If your score is high enough, you will unlock an assassin technique. Open the notebook to see your next unlock.
Aha, znači neka assassin tehnika. Inače stavite ga ovdje za dobijanjem više bodova, što da ne.
The container is now full. There is no more room for additional bodies or for you to hide.
Uzmem malo. Tako kako je. Ja sam da vidim taj assassin forum.
According to ICA Division Chief Benjamin Travis, my former handler Diana Burnwood has gone rogue. Take
Pročitajte.
it with her.
Dobro, idemo dalje. Znači imamo, ocirali smo ovo, imamo karticu od ovog plavog i idemo dalje.
Closing in on target.
Well done, 47. Now remember, Diana brought this on herself. She betrayed us, the emergency, the code,
Inače, lik
everything we
laže.
stand for.
Ovaj, Benjamin.
She is too dangerous to be left alive. Think about that when you pull the trigger.
Viš, znači, lik kontroliše s njime bukvalno. Da ostavit ću.
Wait. 47? Report, 47.
I should kill you. Why did you do this?
47! Damn it, what's wrong with this thing?
We all have our limits. Even you, 47. We used to have honor.
Diana,
No. I had to take her away from the doctors. I knew you would understand.
Fuck. Something's not right.
You won't last long.
There's no time.
You still have a chance.
In my robe. A letter. Now go. Take the girl and run. Before Travis finds out. Please. Do not let her turn into you. Promise me.
I promise.
Wow, brate. Skontali ste već sami iz priče.
Running is noisy
Sure.
and makes it easier for your enemies to spot you.
Bukvalno. Skontali ste.
Agent 47 can deal with enemies swiftly and with great precision. Note that while you are focusing on your targets, you expend instinct rapidly.
Znači idemo. Ctrl, Q, ajmo.
Turn the camera to focus on your enemy, then lock the shot. All enemies are dealt with. Now execute the
Čisto da ga. Gotovo. Ajmo speć da požurimo ovo. Gotovo, bre. Andale. Picklock. Tu je ova Viktorija, mislim. Da, Viktorija.
You know who I am.
I know. She's dead, isn't she?
Come on, stay close to me.
Where are we going?
Get in. It's done.
Excellent work, 47. Bring the girl to the extraction point.
What are you doing?
Why did the agency want you?
I don't know. I guess I might have.
Diana did this for you. Why?
Please, she was my only friend. She took me away from the doctors.
Tell me about the doctors.
It's really blurry. Like, really bad dream. Why?
We need to go.
Sir, there's nobody here. I think the asset has gone AWOL.
God damn it! I was afraid
Wow, znači dobio sam weapon handling, nice. To je to. Znači, evo šta sam uradio, target kill, ono, znači motion ground floor. Dobro, znači 10.100 poena, nice. Ništa ljudi, to je bilo to što se tiče epizode, nadam se da vam se svidjela. Ako vam se svidjela, ostavite like, share, mislim, podelite ovaj video sa prijateljima i pretplatite se na kanal. A mi se vidimo u sljedećoj epizodi.